Hello and welcome to Educate Yourself. In this video I'll be talking about presentations. What's a presentation and how to prepare your own presentation. When you become a college student or a university student, or when you start your job, you'll be asked to prepare presentations. In these presentations you're going to be talking about ideas, projects, and pieces of work. So it's a speech or talk in which a new product, idea, or piece of work is shown and explained to an audience. Of course, the audience varies. It can be classmates, workmates, it can be instructors, or any other type of audience like customers. So, steps in preparing your presentation. First of all, you need to know your audience, their ages, their interests, their backgrounds, what they like and what they do not like. For step 2, you need to select a topic. Your topic needs to be interesting and enjoyable, and most importantly, it should be relevant to your audience. So, for instance, if you have an audience of all people, you can't talk about video gaming in your presentation. So, your topic should be relevant to the audience. Steps 3. Define the objective of your presentation. What do we mean by objective? It's the goal. It can have one goal or several goals. So, this objective should specify exactly what your audience are going to learn from your presentation. So your goal should be clear, stated, and well directed. You should direct your presentation towards this goal. Preparing the content of your presentation. You need to prepare the body, the introduction, and the conclusion. For the body, you should take into consideration the time you have. You can present facts and data to make your presentation reliable. You can show and relate some personal experiences, and you should provide vivid descriptions. For introduction and conclusion, you can start with a personal experience, a joke, or a story you have heard. You can also state an inspirational statement to start your presentation with. You can ask questions, stimulate ideas, and use videos, pictures, and audios to make it more enjoyable. Practicing and delivering your presentation. You should practice your presentation in order to avoid stops and using words like and "oh" as you speak. Besides, you can speak from memory when you practice your presentation. Instead of keeping your eyes on the slides, you can keep your eyes on the audience. Furthermore, you can notice and take into account any problems or mistakes you have in your presentation as you practice, so you can correct them before it's too late. Now, this is the end of my video. If you have benefited from the video, please like and subscribe. And for more, you can watch my channel to see more videos about presentations in details. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.